Is there life elsewhere in the universe? We can't know for sure, but according to the scientist Frank Drake, we can find out how many civilizations that we can communicate with that there should be. Frank Drake defined an equation based on probability factors multiplied together that looks like this. Multiplied together, it equals n, the number of civilizations we should be able to communicate with in our galaxy. Let's go through all of these variables. First is the rate of star formation in our galaxy. This rate is measured in years, and astronomers have found it to be around 7 new stars per year. The next value is the fraction of stars with planetary systems. Scientists have found thousands of exoplanets over the last 20 years, and based on our observations of forming stars, all, or very close to all, stars have a planetary system. The next number is the number of habitable planets per star. An estimate for this number is 2, based on all of the systems we've observed. After this value, we start to get into murkier waters. The next variable is what fraction of habitable planets develop life. We have no idea because right now the only data point we have is Earth. Frank Drake's estimate was 100%, reasoning that life was inevitable wherever conditions were right. The next value is what fraction of life develops intelligence. We also have no data on this value, and Frank Drake considered it inevitable as well. Therefore, this value was estimated at 100%. Next, we have the fraction of civilizations that we should be able to communicate with. Frank Drake estimated this around 15%, because there might be other methods of communication we don't know about. Finally is the lifetime in years of an intelligent communicating civilization. While the other values only had one data point, us, this one has 0. We can't know the lifespan of our own species. Frank Drake estimated this value to be 10,000 years. With these estimates in place, we can determine how many civilizations we should be able to communicate with in our galaxy. That value is 21,000 civilizations, a little over 2 created every year. Of course, this is just one estimate. A lot of the variables that we have used can't be measured until we have observed a lot of alien civilizations, and at that point, we've answered our original question, and therefore don't need the equation. However, it is useful to estimate, and other estimations of the values in the Drake equation result in anywhere from 20 to 50 million civilizations. All in all, the Drake equation is an interesting estimation of how many aliens there are in our galaxy. We can't know for sure because a lot of the variables require the finding of alien life to be solved, but it is useful to at least have an estimated value. The best thing about the Drake equation is that even the lower values estimate dozens of alien civilizations out there in the universe.